This recipe uses the southern poured batter technique to make a molten cobbler style pudding that fits a 4-inch cast iron skillet. To make a single serving raspberry white chocolate chip almond brown butter pudding, add 1 tablespoon of butter to a 4-inch cast iron skillet and heat in a 350 Fahrenheit oven. It takes about 10 minutes for the melting, water evaporation, and browning of the butter. Meanwhile, mix 1/3 of a cup of fresh raspberries with a teaspoon of cinnamon icing sugar mixed with 1/8 of a teaspoon of cornstarch. Then mix 1 tablespoon almond flour, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt with a tablespoon of milk. When the butter is nicely browned, pour the batter directly over the melted butter without stirring, and add the raspberries and chocolate chips on top. Bake in a 350 Fahrenheit oven until the raspberry juice bubbles and the almond biscuit crust rises around the raspberries and turns golden brown, about 25 minutes. Serve warm with a scoop of ice cream.